Imagine finding a car buried under layers of rust and dust, forgotten in a corner of an old shed. A car that was once a masterpiece, now reduced to nothing more than a broken shell. That's where my journey with the 1965 Austin-Healey MK3 began. I wasn't sure if it was even worth saving, but I knew one thing: this car deserved a second chance. Every twist of the wrench, every coat of paint, and every repair brought it back to life, piece by piece. Now, after all the hard work, it's not just a car, it's a story of resilience, of rediscovery, of finding beauty in something once thought lost. Stay with me as we bring this classic back to its glory.